I'm Tim Carter, and I'm here at Bar Harbor, Maine, and this is Megan and Brent's lot. And I'm just kind of giving you a quick pano. This is a bunch of stumps that they pulled out a couple of days ago. Right about here is where you'll see the garage for sure, right in this area. And as I pan around here, like where that big rock is, that's probably pretty much in the center of the house, maybe the front door area. But this is the lot, you know, looking down and away. So the house is going to end up being right about here. And in the follow-up video, you'll be able to orient yourself based on this giant oak tree with that V shape. So just kind of keep that in mind as you look at future videos. It'll all start to make sense. But today is October 25th, and it's going to be very interesting to see how this all changes in the next couple of weeks. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.